How to upload Instagram story with music without losing quality. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and then click on Settings. Once you're here, go to Account. Then go to Mobile Data Settings. In here, turn off Data Saver. Now click on the plus sign in the center and then create a story. Choose any from your gallery. In here, add any elements that you want to add to your story. Just customize it the way you want it to be. Now the next step is to click on the smiling square on the upper right. Then in here, click on Music. Now search for a music you want to add to your Instagram story. Click on Play. Once you're satisfied, tap on it. Then in here, choose which part of the music you want to use for your story. Customize it once again depending on your preference. Now post your Instagram story as is. Now view your story once again. And as you can see, the quality is not destroyed. It is still kept as is. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.